So hello friends. Today we are going to show you how do donkeys work in the village of Moon. So this video is going to be very fun, so watch the video completely, and please like the video. There are a lot of donkeys standing here, and also having breakfast. They will go to work after a while, and there is a huge flock of them. Over here, getting so much load up the asses to the Orients will be taken to the building. Oh no, the building is ready. This bunch of donkeys going into the forest to pick up soil. Gorgeous clay utensils are made. So, friends, we have just reached the forest. Now, we will show you this forest too, and over the pits how to load soil, he too. So we're there now from where the soil is being loaded. And some have been here before and are standing here. And some people are also loading soil on donkeys. So, friends, you must have seen it, is loaded with mortar over the planet, and almost on top of a donkey, up to 150 kilogram takmati is loaded. So, friends, this is all I could make in the video for today, so see you in the next video. Till then, please subscribe to our channel. Last do.